Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. We'll speak about Bitcoin dollar, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So what we had here is a breakout of the bear flag. This was a classical bear flag this morning, and we can see a strong downside breakout. I learned about this currency pair when the price was around this stage. This was the first bear flag that happened on the 4-hour time frame, and since that point, market never looked back. There was just one reaction up here, more like a reaction up and sell off, and then another bear flag continuation. So this basically a day is progressing well, and I see still potential for the further drop, even all the way to the 1.2700, 1.2620. Those will be the next downside objectives on the British pound versus US dollar. On the Bitcoin dollar, I can see here, so let's take a look, for example, hourly time frame. That market is in a consolidation. We have a supply trend line just around this price, so we have around 70,000 or 71,000 mark. So this is a critical resistance. I will say short mid-term resistance around 72,000 and 73,500. So we will see how the market will react. It's getting towards this level, so pay attention to this zone, because if we can see some rejection or so, there is a chance for a rotation downside. If we see the break and hold upside, then there is a chance for higher prices. But overall, pay attention to those resistance levels. On the gold market, we can see still market is in a heavy consolidation. So we have this bigger consolidation with resistance at 2,487. There was an inside day on Friday. Market just had a rally here, but now the sellers are coming into the play here and just around the declining 10-day moving average. So I will say this is a short-term resistance around 2,400. And so far, I don't see anything meaningful on the gold market. So for anything meaningful and bigger directional move, I like to see the breakout of this consolidation. Crude oil is trading downside. There was a rejection of the 50-day moving average, and we have more like a 4 to 5 day consolidation. The rebreak of 77.25 can be a good confirmation for the drop towards the 72.90. From another side, if market will decide to trade higher, then there is a resistance at 70 or 79.90 or 80 mark. Again, short-term environment is to the downside, and we have the downsloping 10 and 20-day moving averages. And on the NASDAQ 100, we can see here, so if I click here, we can see that we have our 100-day moving average. And this is where the NASDAQ found support. There was an inside day, so we have the inside formation. Support at 18,770, I will say it's 18,720 mark. If you can re-break this level to the downside, there is a chance for a drop towards 18,180. The rally, we can see potential resistance lines around 19,450 and 19,630. That will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.